In this video lesson, I will show you what is US500 Lot Size Calculator. The link for this calculator will be below in the description, but you will also have an article that explains a little bit more details, how to use this calculator and also how to calculate a lot size based on the risk and also number of pips the set stop loss. You will have also information which are very important. First of all, have in mind that for the US500 the contract size defined as a one lot equal to 1 unit, which means 1 pip is equal to $0.01. I will explain this a little bit later with a trading example on the trading platform, but let me show you first all the details about this lot size calculator. First field is the instrument, where you define what will be the instrument. I have put this one to US500. Then you have here a deposit currency, and the deposit currency is set to US dollar because my trading account here is set to US dollar. You can change that currency to any other by simply changing here with the drop down menu. Then you have here the open price and the stop loss price, which you can define before opening the order, which is needed to calculate the risk and also the lot size. You can change that to use pips instead of the price, so I will change this one to set stop loss to 100 pips. With the account balance, you can put here any number. I have put $10,000 because I currently have $10,000 on my trading account. Then you have here a US500 pip size, which means that 1 pip is set to second decimal point. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the market price is 4376.20. The second decimal point is the number of pip. So when this number changed by 1, it means it has changed by 1 pip. Then you have here the risk, which is defined by it is defined as 1. So I would like to calculate 1% of my account balance as a risk with 100 pips as a stop loss. You can change that risk to the deposit currency if you would like. So you can put here your risk in dollars. I will use this in percentage because I like to use 1% in calculations instead of currency. Then you can click calculate, and then you will get here a question mark which tells you first of all you need to define what is the contract size for the US500 with your broker. That is very important because this contract size defines how much units is defined in one lot. Here, when you have a 1, that means that 1 lot is equal to 1 unit. If you have this information from your broker, enter this one here. If you do not have, there are 2 options. First one is to contact your broker to check with them what is the contract size for the US500 on your trading account, and you enter this number here. If you have here trading platform, you can go here in the market watch where the symbol is, click right mouse button, click specification. You will have a new window that tells you contract size is equal to 1 unit. So you enter this number here, click calculate, and you will get information how much lots you need to open a trade to get $100, which is 1% risk, with stop loss that is equal to 100 pips. So let's open a new order with this example. Let's put lots is 100 and open a pending order which is by limit. So let's open the market. Let's open the trade at price, for example, 4350. It will be around this one here. Stop loss should be 100 pips. That means 4349, which is 100 pips less. And let's take profit, put to 4351, which is 100 pips also. Click place. And here is the trade. Let's put it on the smaller time frame. F5. Here it is. Here is the trade open, and we can see a stop loss here. Let's hover mouse over this one, and here it is information that this trade, the stop loss, would be equal to minus $100, and it is based on our risk here defined. 1% of $10,000 is $100. So this calculator tells us how much lots should we use with the stop loss equal to 100 pips. This way you can define how much risk you will risk on this trade before opening the trade, which is a very helpful tool. So if you would like to change the risk or the account balance or the stop loss in pips, simply change these values here and click calculate. You will get a lots needed to open the trade. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!